Solve the equation by any method. 12 is equal to the quantity 2n plus 1 squared plus the quantity 2n plus 1. To solve, we'll first gather all terms on one side of the equation. We'll subtract 12 from both sides, and we'll rewrite so that all terms are on the left side of the equation. So we have the quantity 2n plus 1 squared plus the quantity 2n plus 1 minus 12 is equal to 0. Now we have an equation that's quadratic in form. We can use substitution. We'll let u equal 2n plus 1, and then we can write the equation as u squared plus u minus 12 is equal to 0. Solving this equation by factoring the left side, we factor as u plus 4 times u minus 3, which is equal to 0. And we can use the zero factor property, which tells us that u plus 4 equals 0 or u minus 3 equals 0, giving us the solutions u equals negative 4 or u equals 3. Recall that u is 2n plus 1, and so 2n plus 1 is equal to negative 4, or 2n plus 1 is equal to 3. Solving the first equation, we have 2n is equal to negative 5, which gives the solution n is equal to negative 5 halves. And solving the second equation, we have 2n is equal to 2, which gives the solution n is equal to 1. Both of these solutions do satisfy the original equation, and so the solution set is the set containing negative 5 halves and 1.